Good morning, students, and welcome to week 6 in your online general psychology class. Well, maybe you're not watching this video in the morning, but it's morning when I'm filming it. So happy whatever time of day you're watching this. This week we are moving on to chapter 4, which is over sensation and perception. So the last couple chapters, we've really built on this idea of the framework of how anatomy and physiology fit into psychology. Now you're going to see that carried through into sensation and perception. So how do we take in from one of our senses and then send that message through receptor cells to our brain, and our brain processes that into perception? So let's take a look at this week's module. PowerPoint slides as always. You will have 2 connect assignments, one on image labeling, so you'll look at the parts of the ear with this one, and then one that is on matching, and you'll look at sound and theories of hearing. And then your chapter 4 quiz. So a little lighter week. I know I've had you writing the past couple weeks, so no writing assignment this week. What you have are these 2 connect assignments and then your quiz. Have a great week, everybody, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care.